Can you believe it's been a full year of home culture videos? And we want to say thank you for coming along with us. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ralph. And in this video, we get our home ready for the holidays.
Centerpiece on our coffee table here in the family room, and it can't be too tall. So I found this adorable idea where you make glowing snowballs. For this project, you'll need a tray, some greenery, and battery operated lights. And most importantly, you need some glass globes. These are just old lights, like light fixtures, and I thrifted them, and yeah, they're dirty. So the first thing I need to do is wash them. The snowballs are all washed, and washing them really makes a difference. They're really shiny now. And because the glass is they're glass and they're going on a metal tray, when I walk, it sometimes vibrates around the house. So I'm going to line my tray with some felt. This is pretty much how I'm going to have the snowballs arranged. And the next step is to get the lights in them. These lights actually have a timer and a remote, so that's the setting I'm going to put them on. And now I just need to hide the lights inside the bulbs. So now I just need to fill these gaps right here with the greenery to make it look like these are big snowballs outside. What I like about this centerpiece is that it's low, which is great for conversations, and it doesn't block the view to the fireplace or the TV. Also, these lights just glow. They give off a soft, dim light, so they don't compete with the Christmas tree or make the room too bright while watching Christmas movies. Another year has just flown by, and the holidays are here. I kept the decor pretty simple again this year. Lots of trees and a neutral decor scheme of white and silver. I tried not to disturb too much in the house. Instead, I swapped out some of my everyday decor pieces with something festive. It still looks like our home, just with a little winter forest of trees growing inside. As for the channel, wow, did I learn a lot. We went through several tech changes like new mics and cameras and just learning how to shoot and edit while doing some DIY. It's never boring. There's so much to learn and try. Oh, and content. I have more ideas than time to get them done. Coming up with the new year, I have some room makeovers, and they aren't all at our house. Lots of furniture flips, with a few flops I have to add, and of course, fun dupes and decor. This summer we did landscaping in our backyard, but that was only half the yard. We still have the whole other side, which we are planning and thinking about. If we get to it this year, it'll be our biggest project for sure. So I hope you stay tuned and check out our videos, which drop every Friday at 1 p.m.
Thank you to everyone who has watched our videos over the past year and subscribed to our channel. We're getting really close to our first milestone of 1,000 subs, so if you haven't already, hit that subscription button.
And thank you to everyone who has taken the time to leave a comment, whether it's a suggestion or to introduce yourself. I love the interaction. Merry Christmas!
And happy holidays, and we're looking forward to 2023.
Bye! Can you believe we've completed a whole year? Am I talking? You look... and we want to say thank you for coming along with us. Is your, oh, it's totally my fault. I forgot my name.
I'm looking for my cue.
Okay. All right. Can you believe it's banana? Yeah, it's banana.
It's banana?
Yeah.
We're getting really close to our, okay, to help our channel grow.
I thought it was, now please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So hard working with him.